warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis Tiawati. I will do mid-exam extensive reading titled Improving the Self-Confidence in Speaking, Practice by Using Self-Directed Dialogue Technique. What is speaking? Speaking is the most frequently used by human beings as daily means of communicating to share opinions and ideas with other person. It is the why process between speaker and listener and improves productive and receptive skill of understanding. In other words, the listener will try to understand the first person through the communication between them. Speech has its own skills, structures, and comprehension different from written language. Self-confidence. A good self-confidence is not only concerned in a good pronunciation, but speaker has to communicate with the listener and make the listener understand about the information being delivered by the speaker. There are many techniques to make the speaker build their self-confidence. One of them is self-directed dialogue. Self-directed dialogue. Self-directed dialogue is a technique to help the student to be more confident in learning teaching materials. As quoted in Herwana 2012, say that self-directed dialogue, however, call for students to work in pairs and place. The responsibility for communication chiefly on the learn and the conversation based on the verb. Then, the students are asked to make the question based on the verb and the student used in making the conversation. Self-directed dialogue technique is an activity that combines a role-playing or simulation strategy with a vehicle for all communication or contextual practice. Dialogue is a part of language which is very important in learning language. Through dialogue, the student can imitate new words, grammar structure, and pronunciation that they can use to express their truth orally. It also gives them a tool in analyzing vocabulary and grammatical for discussion. Methods. This research is qualitative research. The researcher intends the first to find out the aspect of speaking improved the most, the second to find out the significant relationship between self-confidence and student achievement in speaking. In order to find out the implementation of self-directed dialogue technique can improve aspect speaking ability, the researcher will use rating sheet score of ability aspect and speaking tests. Okay, conclusion. The use of self-directed dialogue speaking achievement and the four aspects of speaking which identified by the comparison score of student pre-test and post-test. The technique is good to help the student understand the materials. The strength of this technique make them self-directed learning by they not aware they are directed by the teacher and the prop. This technique gave a chance for the student to explore their ability in speaking performance. The suggestion for the teachers who want to implement the self-directed dialogue technique to teach speaking, it is better to use the simple sentence in the prop or text. It is used to make the student feel interested with the technique and make them easy to understand the content of the text itself. Okay, last thank you for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.